Marketers have long relied on ROI to prove the value of our work. We love the simplicity of a simple percentage. Spend $1, earn $2. But here's the problem. When we treat ROI like a rigid science, we forget that marketing is part art, part human connection, part long-term brand development. The current result? We end up chasing short-term wins and ignoring those bigger opportunities, like building customer loyalty or strengthening our brand reputation. Campaigns that could drive long-term growth look weak when judged only by immediate revenue. This narrow focus often leads to misallocated budgets, underfunded brand initiatives, and missed chances to create lasting customer relationships. So how do we move forward safely? First, let's keep using ROI, but remember, it's just one piece of the puzzle. It's really important to supplement it with metrics like customer lifetime value to capture long-term impact, or net promoter scores to gauge loyalty. Second, run controlled tests or marketing mix models to separate real results from the noise. And finally, you gotta talk openly to stakeholders about ROI's limitations. So we're not just chasing this perfect number that doesn't even exist. When we acknowledge the boundaries of marketing ROI, recognizing both its power and its pitfalls, we free ourselves up to market smarter. Because real marketing success demands both data and insight, short-term gains and long-term vision. And that's where true business growth happens. Ready to find balance in your marketing? Share this approach with your team. Incorporate ROI along long-term metrics in your reporting and training sessions. Teach stakeholders the why behind the numbers. Tell that story with data. And ensure everybody understands the when and how ROI should be used. Start today and let's build a smarter future for marketing together.